16th. Akashvani Shillong participated in the Gift a Radio campaign organised by the Office of the ADGP, Guwahati, during the month of July 2024 to commemorate the opening of the first radio station in Northeastern region on July 1st, 1948. The officers and staff of Akashvani Shillong gifted new radio sets to several radio listeners as well as to a few organizations. Nehu professor in the Khasi department, Streamlet Dakhar, who is an ardent radio listener, said that she used to love to listen to the radio program, especially programs which help to enrich the Khasi language. Another ardent radio listener from West Khasi Hills, Andreas Yopnau, said that he has been listening to radio since 1980 and he has received lots of valuable information, whether it is on health or farming.
Ngabra dia ladu nam sejar kena spa prapel adu unta yo bon jingna gista penisinya ki doktor bahikana dia aman laki kenta aman laki setengah minit setengah bat kamta makada kariang yo jikai ba yo nagi doktor bahikai haka station dia.
And here is some quick news